Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching Planted once again. I hope that you are doing well, and today we are doing a V-graft on this adenium plant. But before we start, what is grafting? In modern horticulture, grafting is used to repair injured trees, to produce dwarf trees, to produce multi-flowering plants, and here you will need a rootstock and a scion. In short, rootstock is the main plant and the scion is a smaller part of other plant. Now make sure that you are using a clean, sharp blade. I am disinfecting the blade with hydrogen peroxide. Cut off a healthy branch and make a slit in the center. You may also cut a V shape like so. Here's our scion with bright red buds. Again, cut a V-shaped sharp cut at the bottom like demonstrated in the video. Insert the scion in the rootstock and seal everything with a plastic strip. Here's a quick demonstration on how to make these strips. Fold a polythene bag and make horizontal slits. Cover up everything so that moisture/air/water doesn't escape inside. You may remove this plastic after 20 to 30 days. The smaller part will combine to the rootstock and will grow normally. An ideal time for grafting would be summer or winter. Avoid grafting in monsoon. It might catch moisture and start rotting. It will also have this grafting scar for lifetime. I have also made a video on how to save your rotting adenium plant and flat grafting. Make sure you watch that too. Gardening is a great initiative towards making our earth greener, so keep on planting. And if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. It will motivate me to create more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.